Okay, so I take it that something didn't load because I didn't really do anything else but just click around and wait for a minute. But you can see we have this database objects right here. We just press them all. Dama data model test. Confirm. Yeah, so be patient because it might show it being ready before it actually is. It wasn't really that bad. Oh, this is something that's gonna look a bit more like what we're used to in Power BI. So we have all of these different tables, our dimension tables, and our facts. And this calculation table is a bit on its own, but it's just focus on connecting things. So posting date on date, look for many to one. Check that the cardinality is going the right way. Yeah, so this is definitely wrong. Should be the other way around. One too many. So in this candidate we have one date, and over here we have lots of date. That's what this star means. Oh, and we add these keys, and let's see what they're joining on here. Key name item number. Yeah, so key. Right there. This isn't really good customer service. It's one too many, and the filter here shows which way it's filtering. So this can only filter this and not the other way around. That's how we want it when it's this. But it's much easier once you get to the exam because it figures this out, or at least it gives a suggestion, the program, once you'll be at the exam. So document number on document number, and again we have to edit it manually. Cool, almost there. Let's just do some calculations. I can see, okay, we'll just take it from the top. So over here, and the part of the thing is, one of the sad things is, in Power BI desktop you can do add measures 3 places, but online you can only do it once. So the first measure is this. Oh, I'll just write it out then. So fact invoice lines cost amount DKK. Yeah, and I'll add a list of the next one I'll do is sales. I'll add a list of what measures you have to add. Sales DKK, some sales. Here you can just search for it, and it's sales amount DKK. Should we do one? Yeah, gross margin. Then you have all of them. There's some time measures, or time intelligence measures, which means that they're using calendar periods, but please disregard those. Only add in the measures that I put up online. And here we're subtracting COGS DKK. Yeah, we should rename COGS to COGS DKK because we could also do it in euros, and that's just click on it, add the DKK postfix, and then we're good to go. And for the last step, let's press new report. Log into your account. gonna create a table. We're gonna see, so it's nice and tidy over here. We could actually hide this column. Doesn't really matter now, but we could go in here and say, oh, we don't want to see that. And maybe we could just press F5 up here and see if it reloads. See if it's gone. Oh, it is. But it removed our table because it's empty. Or because we didn't save it. Oh, because we didn't save it. Oh, we're just gonna check. Everything adds up. Pre-calculations. Those are high numbers. We can see that we haven't formatted them properly. Then we have to go back. This is quite the hassle. So format down here. Whole number, let's just say decimal number, and we want a 1000 separator, and we want 0. Yeah, this is also better. In the Power BI desktop. Oh, why you save the click? Okay, perfect. Maybe we should just save this. Dharma report. See, we are in our Dharma tutorial workspace. And I'm fairly certain that now this report is saved. Oh, and you can see we got our 1000 separators. So is that 45 billion? Oh, we found an error. So you see the gross margin is too big, and that's because we have our sales, and then we're subtracting a negative number, but we have to set it as a plus. Let's just reload up here. Yeah, there's something wrong with these numbers. I'll check the file for you. But that's not really an issue. We can see that it's working, which means that we're done with this tutorial. So please set aside some time to do it on your own and be ready for this way you'll be ready for a class on Wednesday, when we're gonna spend our time exploring the data instead of creating all of these data models and such. Great. See you guys there.